The roller barrier non-aggressive anti-climb barrier can be installed on multiple types of mesh fence, but supporting brackets must be spaced at no more than 2 meters apart, which often means fixing to the mesh rather than the fence posts, which are typically spaced at 2.4 meter intervals. In this video, we look at the safe and robust way to fix roller barrier to any type of mesh fence. Bolting a bracket directly onto the fence may look okay, but if any kind of weight is applied to the barrier, the force may pull the fixing through the mesh, allowing the barrier to fall and possibly injure someone. Our specially designed bracing plates effectively form a robust fixing by sandwiching the fence between the plate and the support bracket, with the assembly being secured together with coach bolts and one-way shear nuts to prevent tampering or removal. 2 different types of bracing plate are available, one for use with the cranked bracket, the other for use with the straight twist bracket. Mesh fences with larger slots between the wires provide easy handholds which can be used to navigate up and over the fence. This risk can be eliminated by adding a layer of 358 prism mesh to the top of the fence to work in conjunction with the roller barrier. For more information on roller barrier or to discuss your potential requirements, check out our website or call our friendly team.